Welcome to E-English Vault. Today's read-along passage is A Rainy Day. Read along in simple English. Practice reading, listening, and speaking. Repeat after me to practice speaking. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English reading videos. Today, the sky is full of dark clouds. Today, the sky is full of dark clouds. Soon, it starts to rain. Soon it starts to rain. The sound of raindrops makes me happy. The sound of raindrops makes me happy. Children run outside with umbrellas. Children run outside with umbrellas. Some wear raincoats and jump into small puddles. Some wear raincoats and jump into small puddles. The cool breeze feels fresh and nice. The cool breeze feels fresh and nice. I sit near the window and watch the rain. I sit near the window and watch the rain. The trees look green and clean. The trees look green and clean. The streets shine like glass after the rain. The streets shine like glass after the rain. My mother makes hot tea and snacks. My mother makes hot tea and snacks. I eat them while enjoying the rainy weather. I eat them while enjoying the rainy weather. A rainy day is peaceful and fun. A rainy day is peaceful and fun. It makes the world look fresh and beautiful. It makes the world look fresh and beautiful. Vocabulary and meaning. Clouds. White or gray shapes in the sky that bring rain. Raindrops. Small drops of water falling from the sky. Umbrella. A tool used to protect yourself from rain or sun. Raincoat. A waterproof coat worn on rainy days. Puddles. Small pools of water on the ground after rain. Breeze. A soft, gentle wind. Window. An opening in the wall with glass to look outside. Snacks. Light food eaten between meals. Peaceful. Calm and quiet. Beautiful. Very pretty or nice to look at. Great job reading with me. Like, comment, and subscribe to English Vault. Tap the bell for more easy English stories. What do you do on a rainy day? Share in the comments at E-English Vault.